Hello students, today I will teach you to the solve problem of standard deviation and coefficient of variation when the data given is discrete frequency distribution. So here is our problem. Calculate mean, variance, standard deviation and its coefficient. Also find CV from the following data. And the data given, the value of x is here and frequency f is here. Data is in format of discrete frequency distribution. So to solve this problem, first we should know how we will get the x bar. So for given data, x bar is equal to summation fx divided by n and sigma, that is st, is equal to root of summation f x minus x bar square divided by n, where n is equal to summation f. So we need some values, that is n, fx, x minus x bar, and then multiply by f and all these values. So for this we have to obtain this sum. Let us prepare the following table. So I will write, let us prepare the following table. So I will write here value, then frequency, then fx, then x minus x bar, that is mean, then x minus x bar square, and last column is f multiply by x minus x bar square. So first we will write all these values, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and frequency 4, 6, 9, 12, 9, 6, 4. Now fx means f multiply by x, that is 28, 8 6 are 48, 9 9 are 81, 10 12 are 120, this is 99, then this is 72, and this is 52. Now we need summation fx. So summation fx is equal to 500. Also we need n. N is what? Summation f. So n is equal to 50. Then x minus x bar. So I have to put these values into this formula. So x bar is equal to summation fx divided by n, that is 500 divided by 50 is equal to 10 rupees is our mean. So x minus 10, I have to perform value of x minus 10. So 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3, 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2, 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1, then 10 minus 10 is equal to 0, then 11 minus 10 is equal to 1, 12 minus 10 is equal to 2, and 13 minus 10 is equal to what? 3. Okay. So now I have to square this number for this column. 3 minus 3 square is equal to 9, minus 2 square is equal to 4, minus 1 square is equal to 1, 0, 1, 4 and 9. So I got the square. Now f multiply by this. So I have to multiply these two values. So 4 9s are 36, 6 4s are 24, 9 1s are 9, 12 zeros are 0, 9 1s are 9, 6 4s are 24, and 4 9s are 36, and I have to sum this all, that is 138. So Now I got the values, that is n summation fx summation f x minus x bar. So now I will calculate SD. So SD is equal to sigma is equal to root of summation f in bracket x minus x bar square divided by n, that is equal to root of 138 divided by 50, that is equal to root of 276, that is equal to 1.66132 rupees. Now variance. Every time when you got these values, please underline this, highlight this or underline this, so for your teacher it will be easy to check your answer. Variance is equal to sigma square is equal to 1.66132 square, that is equal to, now you don't need a calculator to calculate this because we got this value here. What is the sigma square? Sigma square is equal to 2.76. Why this is so? Because root of 276 is equal to 1.66. So square of 1.66 is equal to 2.76. So variance is equal to 2.76 rupees. Now coefficient of SD is equal to sigma upon x, that is equal to 1.66132 divided by 10, that is equal to 0.166132. Now the coefficient of variation is equal to sigma upon x multiplied by 100 is equal to 0.166132 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 16.6132%. Remember that coefficient of variation is always given in percentage format. So we wrote here percent sign. So this is my whole problem. I hope you understand. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.